Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology as we explore the best 25-inch monitors of 2024. If you're in the market for a monitor that strikes the perfect balance between size and performance, you're in the right place. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our exciting tech updates. Now let's jump right in. Number 5. ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27 AQDM. The top 25-inch monitor in 2024 is the ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27 AQDM. Not only is it the best ASUS product, but it is also the best ASUS gaming monitor available. This outstanding gaming display smoothly combines excellent visual quality with top-tier gaming performance, impressing even the most competitive gamers. This monitor successfully minimizes screen tearing, assuring a gaming experience with high refresh rates and extraordinarily quick response times, resulting in exceptionally smooth motion. It has a high 240Hz refresh rate, FreeSync variable refresh, VRR support, and G-Sync compatibility. The 1440 resolution delivers a good pixel density for rich action, and the OLED panel makes it suitable for gaming in low-light environments. It excels at rendering deep, inky blacks without blooming, enhancing the visual appeal of darker sections and content. The ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG42UQ, a 42-inch 4K OLED display, is also available from ASUS. However, it is more expensive than the PG27 AQDM. Despite its exceptional characteristics, the PG27 AQDM has a few minor flaws. To obtain the lowest input lag and best HDR performance, a firmware update is required. Number 4. LG 32GQ950B. LG's premier 25-inch monitor auction in 2024 is the LG 27GR95QEB, which distinguishes out as a top-tier alternative by seamlessly combining great gaming performance with high-end visual quality. Because of its excellent characteristics, it proudly claims the title of finest LG gaming monitor. The LG 27GR95QEB's high 240Hz refresh rate is one of its prominent qualities, making it a perfect contender for competitive gaming. With its 1440 resolution, it provides a wealth of details for your gaming experience. At its maximum refresh rate, this monitor also has a near-instantaneous response time, ensuring that motion seems absolutely smooth. However, with lower refresh rates, there may be some overshoot, resulting in inverse costing with fast-moving objects. One of this monitor's main selling points is its OLED panel, which excels at presenting perfect blacks in dim situations. Furthermore, it avoids blooming around bright objects, making it a fantastic choice for low-light gaming. The LG 45GR95QEB, which features a huge 45-inch ultra-wide display with a 3440x1440 resolution, is another OLED monitor with a 240Hz refresh rate. This option is ideal if you want a larger screen, but keep in mind that the reduced pixel density may compromise visual sharpness slightly. The potential of irreversible burn-in with OLED displays like the LG 27GR95QEB should be considered when exposed to the same static elements for lengthy periods of time. However, this is less of an issue with gaming. The LG 27GR95QEB is a 27-inch 1440p gaming monitor with an OLED display. It is notable for being one of the first OLED gaming monitors to provide a 240Hz refresh rate. You can obtain its maximum refresh rate via numerous connections thanks to its DisplayPort 1.4 connector and HDMI 2.1 bandwidth. Number 3. W3223QE. W3223QE is the best 25-inch monitor in 2024. If you're looking for a dedicated 25-inch monitors and like Dell products, the W3223QE is worth considering. It's essentially a bigger brother of the W2723QE, with many similar features and top-tier performance. Its outstanding color fidelity, even before calibration, sets it apart for photo editing fans. This means you can avoid the effort of calibration unless you need absolute color precision. Its large 32-inch display is ideal for photo editing, letting you to work with many windows at once or see a more thorough view of your editing program at a glance. Because of its high brightness, the W3223QE excels in well-lit office conditions, ensuring that your workspace remains colorful. It's worth mentioning, however, that its reflection handling may fall short if you're facing a window. The display is packed with extras, such as a USB hub with 5 USB-A connections and 3 USB-C inputs. making it simple to connect many devices. Its KVM switch, as well as picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes, come in handy when you need to transfer between PCs while working. The sole disadvantage is that it undersaturates colors in HDR, which may not be optimal if you need HDR for jobs like video editing. In such instances, the U2723QE may be a better option. Number 2. Dell Alienware A2523HF. The Dell Alienware A2523HF is the best 25-inch monitor we've tested, with gaming-focused features like a high 360Hz refresh rate that's excellent for competitive gaming. It also supports FreeSync variable refresh rate, VRR, and G-Sync to eliminate screen tearing with AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards. While this 1080p resolution may appear low and lacks precise detail, this is to be expected for a device of this size, and the low resolution takes less bandwidth from your graphics card, making it easier to attain high frame rates. It features a great 60Hz response time, which results in low motion blur, and it delivers fantastic motion handling with high refresh rates because to its quick response time. Despite its gaming focus, it's still suitable for use at work because it gets bright enough to combat glare and has excellent reflection handling, so visibility isn't an issue in well-lit office spaces. It also features excellent ergonomics and wide viewing angles, making it simple to share your screen with someone nearby, such as a coworker or friend. The Dell Alienware A2523HF is a 25-inch 1080p gaming monitor with a refresh rate of 360Hz from Dell's Alienware range. It is similar to the Dell Alienware A2521H, which features native G-Sync functionality and replaces the Dell Alienware A2521HF, which has a 240Hz refresh rate. It has all the features you'd expect in a gaming monitor, such as native FreeSync variable refresh rate, VRR, support and G-Sync compatibility, as well as a few extra gaming modes that let you add a virtual crosshair or use night vision that your system won't detect, giving you a competitive advantage in games. It also comes with an ergonomic stand and a USB hub with 4 USB-A connections. Number 1. Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 2024's best 25-inch monitors. Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. Samsung is one of the few firms that offers super ultra-wide monitors with a 32:9 aspect ratio, which provides a wider display than the 21:9 aspect ratio found on displays such as the Samsung Odyssey OLED G8/G85SBS, the 34BG-A5. This outstanding series of monitors allows you to become even more immersed in your games and pictures. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G9/G95SCS49CG95 steals the show with its enormous 49-inch screen and QD OLED panel, similar to the OLED G8. This means that you can expect flawless image quality with deep, accurate blacks and rich, bright colors that actually pop. The exceptional 240Hz refresh rate of the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 distinguishes it from the OLED G8, making it a superb choice not only for image quality but also for competitive gamers who seek top-tier performance. The motion rendering is excellent, and you won't have to worry about firmware updates to obtain the lowest input lag, which is a significant advantage over the OLED G8. It's worth noting that, like the OLED G8, the G9 is susceptible to permanent burn-in. If this is an issue for you, you might want to look into the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9. While it retains a 49-inch super ultra-wide screen and a refresh rate of 240Hz, it uses mini LED backlighting rather than a QD OLED panel, resulting in somewhat inferior picture quality. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G9/G95SCS49CG95 is a premium 49-inch QD OLED monitor that is more recent than the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9/G95NAS49A95, which uses mini LED backlighting. This monitor has a resolution of 5120x1440, a super ultra-wide aspect ratio of 32:9, and an 1800R curve. This curvature pulls the screen's edges closer to your field of view, increasing immersion. It has a 240Hz refresh rate with DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.1 connectors, allowing you to fully utilize the maximum refresh rate with any graphics card that supports display stream compression. It is compatible with a variety of variable refresh rate (VRR) formats, including HDMI Forum VRR, FreeSync, and G-Sync. Notably, the Samsung G95 SC includes Samsung's proprietary Tizen Smart Platform, which enables access to a large range of applications without the use of a PC. Because of the 240Hz refresh rate, near instantaneous response time for minimal motion blur, and reduced input lag for a very responsive feel, its gaming performance is superb. It also has VR functionality to reduce screen tearing. HDMI 2.1 bandwidth is included to ensure compatibility with HDMI 2.1 graphics cards. It does not, however, support 4K at 120Hz from consoles. On the plus side, its 32:9 aspect ratio provides a bigger perspective of your game, assuming the game supports this aspect ratio, and it excels at presenting deep, inky blacks in dark spaces thanks to its near-infinite contrast ratio. In conclusion, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 provides great gaming performance and visual quality, the QD OLED display boasting a phenomenal 240Hz refresh rate. However, it's critical to understand the hazards connected with burn-in and text clarity. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best 25-inch monitors in 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.